Astang Yoga, Yog Vidya, is an invaluable gift inherited to us by ancient saint. Maharshi Patanjali has described Yoga Shastra in the Granth named Yog Darshan as 8 organs are included in yoga. Dharana, 5 angs of Ashtanga Yoga. First, Yama. Second, Niyam. Third, Asan. Fourth, Pranayam. Fifth, Pratyahar. These 5 angs are called Bahirang Yoga. These 5 angs associated with external activities, hence they are called Bahirang Yoga. Astang Yoga, Yog Vidya, is an invaluable gift inherited to us by ancient saint. It is called Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is distributed in 2 parts as external and internal. The general meaning of dharana is concentration, sadhana, increase the concentrated successfully at one point. In the same way, effect can be made to see the sun, the star, God, etc. with open eyes. We would study all the 3 angs Antrang Yoga in detail. The following 3 things are inevitable for getting success in dharana. First, patience. Second, enthusiasm. Third, holiness. The body, senses, and the mind are well organized by Bahirang Yoga, while the consciousness is internally organized through Antrang Yoga. On the material body through the study of Bahirang Yoga, while control on the spiritual body can be established through the study of Antrang Yoga. Study of Antrang Yoga is also called as Raj Yoga. Dharana. Dharana. Dharana is the first ang of Ashtanga Yoga. Maharshi Patanjali has said in the Yoga Shastra, that is to say, to control the mind in limit of one reason is called Shrama. The mind purified with the adequate study of Bahirang Yoga gets concentrated at one place, it called dharana. The mind remains in the contemplated and for 5 moments is called dharana. In other words, to get the pure mind concentrated in some objective or ideal for one's favorite deity is called dharana. In external dharana, the mind can be concentrated on some idle torch by making vision steady at one place through tatak with eyes open, while in internal dharana the mind can be concentrated on material objects with closed eyes. Importance of dharana. Antarang Yoga began with dharana. Friends, it is very important. If the sadhak yogi has performed dharana properly, he can attain meditation first and then samadhi. Steady dharana is the precondition of meditation and samadhi. Second, if the mind has concentration, unsteadiness prevalent in the student gets removed. Concentration is very much essential in studies. Dharana removes unsteadiness of the mind and brings steadiness and concentration, which is very useful for the student in his studies. Regular practice of dharana brings steadiness in the mind and thereby increase self-confidence. Subject of dharana. First, mental subject. Branch of a tree. Sea, sky, idol of the god. Second, external subject. Imagine mentally. Third, subject in the form of external organs of the body, the tip of the nose, eyebrow, etc. Fourth, internal subject of the body, the heart, the navel chakra, etc. Fifth, subject beyond the reach of the senses, hearing the sound, flame darshan, etc. Keeping the mind continuously associated with some special distinguishing thoughts. Second, remembering some object or mental recitation of one's favorite god. Third, taking support of some hint attained in dreams during sleep. Fourth, if dharana is practiced every day faithfully and regularly, there is restraint in the tendencies and thoughts of the. First, relating to material, Second, relating to fatty. Third, spiritual. Hence, the negative thoughts are removed and it helps in purification of nadi.